The 1% commitment. Making the decision once, not every morning. The compound daily mantra. Summary of the path forward.
90% of people quit network marketing in their first 90 days, and it's not because they lack talent. It's because they are making these 5 specific expensive mistakes. If you're feeling stuck or your leads are ghosting you, one of these is the culprit. Today, we fix it. The hook and the hard truth. The 90-day quit statistic success is a system, not luck. Overview of the 5 mistakes. Mistake 1. The pitch slap. Sending links without permission, building rapport versus hunting, the ask for interest fix. Mistake 2. Management mode. Trying to manage a team of 2, leading by example, versus micromanaging, the 80-20 rule of personal production. Mistake 3. Lack of duplication. Being too good at presenting tools over talent. Using third-party resources. Mistake 4. Emotional roller coaster. Attaching self-worth to a no, treating it like a hobby, not a business long-term compound mindset. Mistake 5. No daily method of operation, DMO. The difference between busy and productive, 3 needle-moving activities, tracking your numbers.